Good day. Anyway, you're watching me in this AI mathematics. I can lie to. According to the scheme of work I'm using, the first topic for SS3 students is logarithm without the use of tables. You have done the logarithms with table in your SS1 and SS2, but this topic is just logarithm without the use of tables. But there are some rules to follow, some laws to follow to solve questions. Now let me start with the index form. When you have n equal to v raised power x, this is index form. Just like when you have 49 equal to 7 raised power 2, you call this one index form because it doesn't contain the logarithm form. Now the logarithm of this, just write log of this, log n, b will be here, equal to x, which means this one also we have log 49 base 7 equal to 2. These are index form, exponential form. These two are log form, which means you can convert index to log form, or exponent to log form, or log form to exponent form. Let's do one or two questions under that. Let's do one or two questions under that. So let's do one or two questions under this now. Let's say we have log example a, let's say log 125 base 5 equal to 3. This is a log form. To change to index form now is simple thing. Just look at this base now. Anything you have here, just the moment you do is you have 125. This equal to 5 raised power anything here. That is the logic in which you can use to do. You can convert logarithm form of this to index form. So we go from simple to the complex. If you're given 6 equal to log x base 1/4. 6 equal to log x base 1/4. Find x. In this case now, if you like, do what will make the thing very easy for you. It's saying that log x base 1/4 equal to 6. I know that to remove this log, our x will be equal to 1/4 raised power 6, and that x will now be equal to 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 1 2 3 4 5 times 1 over 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 1 2 3 4 5 times 4. So That will be your answer. You can go further by using calculator to multiply the thing. Now, you can also convert from index to logarithm form. Index to logarithm form. So index to logarithm form. Let's say we have p raised to power 3 equal to m. This is a index form, and how can we convert that? That will be log m base p equal to 3. Equal to 3. So that's a little examples on the first row. Little example on the first row. Now, let's state all the rules before we enter a real questions. A real question. Hope you get this one right. Now, another rules. Another one, 2 log m over n log m base a plus log n base a. You know, they have the same base, a, n, and we have plus addition in between them. Just extend like this, log m times n base a. Let's say you have log 40 base 4 plus log 2 base 4. Because we have addition in between them here, you have it to be what? Log 40 times 2 base 4. Another rules, if we have log m base a log m over n base a, that's over. So this one will give us log m base a minus log n base a. Log m over n will give us what? Log m base a minus log n base a. Let's say we have log 40 divided by 3 base 4. This is the same thing as log 40 base 3 base 4 minus log 3 base 4. Another root, because you need almost 1, 2, 3 or 4 to solve a question. Another one, log m raised to power n base a means n log m base a. When you have log 3 raised to power 5 base 2, it means as 5 log 3 base 2. 5 log 3 base 2. Another one, if you have log log n a raised to power n log m base a raised to power n, you have it to be what? 1 over n log m base a. It means that if base is raised to power or base has index, base has power, just divide the power and multiply everything. Just let's say you have log 5 base 2 over base 2 raised to power 3. Because it's the base that is power 3, just do 1 over 3 log 5 base 2. Base 2. Then that is 5. 5. We have another very important one that you need to do, you need to know. We have 6. Now we have log m base n. Maybe you are solving question, and in that process the log and the base, you have to change the base to another value. In that case, you do what we call change of base. Change of base. Change of base. You change the base. So because you need base m and not base n. You need base m. That this will not be in 1 over log n base n, which means let's say you have log 5 base 3 now, but you want base 5 and not base 3. That will not be equal to 1 over log 3 base 5. I think you are going with my explanation with the way I'm solving it one by one. And log m base m, log m base m is equal to 1, which means when you have log 2 base 2 is equal to 1. When the log and the base have the same value, the value will be equal to 1. Log 10 base 10 is 1. Log 5 base 5 is 1. Log 7 base 7 is equal to 1. That is what this rule is talking about. Another very important rule is this. Let's say you are solving question again. You are solving question, but you don't need base n. Also, you don't need base m, but you need base a. You have to remove n from the base. That will give us, take the first one, log m base a over log n base a. So that is another very important rule. Very important rule. This base rule. Then let me give you examples on that. Let's say you have log 5 base 3 and we need base 2. The thing will now be log 5 base 2 over log 3 base 2. Another rule, very important, another rule. Let's say we have a raised to power log m base a. Let's say we have a raised to power log m base a. Base a, the answer will be what? M. Log A raised power log of value base this thing. If so, this one will give us answer m. Let's say we have uh, 2 or 3 raised power log 2 base 3. Our answer will be equal to 2. Our answer will be equal to 2. Answer will be equal to 2. So, uh, with all these rules, you can tackle many questions. So, like me, watch me, and follow me.